Beautiful Divas and Dudes. This is Princess Caress, and today I have for you one of the hottest colors that's going around now. This is Isis Wig Super Felina, and the color, well, the original color was 613, and this has been tinted by a wonderful guy that I came in contact with on Facebook. His name is Edward Scissorhands, and it's a grayish tint. You might be able to see some of the blonde in the back. This wig has 4 combs in it, 3 in the front and 1 in the back, and the adjustable bra strap closure. I just added the comb, the flower. I mean, you could put it wherever you want. And a flower like this is, I bought this with my own money. It has a ponytail holder on it. But this is just an extra little added something. And you can even put this up. Maybe clip it up into some cute little style. But for now, I'm just going to leave it down so you can see the waves and the curls. And it's layered. It's very short in front, which is very nice to have. And also, I like to add for a longer wig. It doesn't tangle like some longer wigs do. And I just want to share it with you. And like I said before, the gray hair, gray weaves is one of the hottest colors around now. This is Super Felina. For more information, check it out in the links down below. Keep smiling.